It's time, guys. We are going to create an ice effect today. You see this here? Let's go frame by frame. So it starts off with a cross like this. So it starts off, let's see. I wonder how that looks. I love this, you know. I find this awesome. Let's do 16 by 16. And then go from there. They start off with, I think it's white, right? Looks kind of white to me. It looks like a double and not pixel perfect. My man, how's it going? Sturdy pose. Good morning, sir. They start off with this. And then... yeah, that's what they start with. Like this. And then it breaks into like a spiral. Huh. Okay. So it breaks into a weird looking spiral. How is that done? I think it just gets bigger. Yeah, it just adds to it. So basically, like this. Right? And it looks like it's also glowing. Reduce movement speed, reduce animation speed, add particles. Yeah. The movement and animation speed is already reduced by chill.
Hello.
There's no Milord emote. I think we are at 1,000 emotes already, bro. But maybe a real super cool or someone else can take a look. I have like a bunch of editors for 7TV. I just forgot who can... Oh my god, please stop drawing! Shut up! I do what I want! Uh-huh. I see now. And then it does this and turns it into this, like a snowflake. Cool. Yeah. Thank you. And then what? Uh-huh. Well, guys, this is important, okay? It's really important. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, guys, yeah, I'm literally copying the effect because I want to see how it looks. Oh, wow, now it breaks. That's difficult to tell how it breaks. Oof. But it's clearly lost its middle point. It clearly lost the middle point. So I guess this is gone. Uh-huh. And wait. So we start off with this, then this, then this, then this. Then we need to make a new one. Uh-huh. Look at this. Okay, cool. I think there's a dot in the middle left. And it looks like... these two are gone. Ja. Ja. I feel like... No. Hello, what are you doing? Which game is that reference? That game is called Death Must Die, Andy. And I'm trying to get their snowflake effect. I want to see how they animate their snowflake. And then see how that would look in my game together as Bloom. With Bloom, if I add Bloom to it. Because I'm trying to make a slow effect and ice effect. Have that in the game. Oh my god, this is so funny. If he names this file Erica PNG, I'm gonna lose it. Erica? Oh, you mean I'm like taking a look like this? What do you mean this file? Sus? Gotcha, bitch! True German. The sprite is very sus for German. Nice symbol you have there. Oh, I see. Hey, it is how it is, okay? I'm just copying the game. Go back. Oh, wrong button. Sorry. I'm stupid. Okay, so I had that, right? We had this symbol. Right? Yeah. And then we go one frame ahead. And all of a sudden... we have... this. Then... I think it's 2 spaces. That. But then it doesn't fit anymore, you know? It wouldn't fit anymore. Doesn't make any sense. I feel like it's this. Together without those two. But that looks odd. Is it that? Guys, am I stupid? Does totally look like that. Yeah. It certainly does look like this. Not sure why. Found a new political movement. Kick W, windmill pattern. Difficult to say, bro. And then after that, it turns into something like this. Okay. And now there's something in... the way. This shitty thing is in the way. Fuck you. It's in the way. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I see, I guess that's it. Unless there's more. It looks like there is. Stupid thing is in the way. And then that's it. Ah, we can see it here again. Go out. Oh, wow. It turns like this. Wait, they have different snow effects. It's not just one. Okay, I mean, let's take a look at how this looks. Cross in the middle is distracting. Yup. But this is the effect. I wonder if it's supposed to be this. It doesn't move. When you rotate it, maybe it will look good. I mean, let's try to take a look at the next effect. Let's make another one. Why not? Shade the cross. So how does it start? Starts off with this again. Ah, so what I notice immediately, it's just this. That's how it starts. Okay, next. Then next frame is this. It's difficult to tell now. And then next frame, it's difficult to see, but I think it's this. And it also seems to fall down. And now it's just a blurry mess. You're in games. Hello there, my man. Good morning. What is this guy? Therefore, with regard to female... I'm gonna ban you, bro. It's the first time I have to ban someone on YouTube. Remove. Hide user on this channel. Yeah. No, I don't want to undo. Okay. How are you doing? Good. And I can't read... Oh, YouTube chat is so... Guys, YouTube chat is so well designed that I can't... I deleted a bunch of messages here. Trying to scroll down. It doesn't give me the latest... Oh, now it does. Okay. The fuck is going on? Is chat lol? Think it's better you watch the full particle effect and get a feeling for instead. Well, it's difficult because it's a YouTube video. I wanna do it, yes. We'll get some. We'll get some. So what I get from this is there's another one here, but why does he... God, I need good contrast. It's really difficult, man, with these white snowflakes. There's another snowflake here. I guess we'll do. Maybe this guy gets frozen. Hey, why do you run away? I think I got one. Shit. Maybe I didn't. But the game seems to be paused when this happens. So we have a bunch of dots here. Aha. Great, now it's in the way. Fuck, man. God damn it. Holy shit. Okay. I mean, we have this frame, I guess. Then the next frame is, I guess, this. Then dots here. right? And here. Right? No. Looks like the dots are here. Connected, right? Like that. Is that it? That's it, right? You wanted to quickly make a game in 30 days just to actually release something for once, but quit half the way point. I can understand that the UI issues are annoying usually, but surely you could have just manned up and stuck with it for 2 more weeks to reach your goal. No matter what you do, you always quit instead of seeing things to the end. But I guess that is game dev YouTube in a nutshell. Basic. Shut the fuck up, man. You took the most toxic comment, and you should see my reply, you little bitch. Fucking hell, man. Holy. Hello, collector of stuff. Good morning. Wow, coming in hard. Yeah, this guy is the embodiment of toxicity. Cakez, here you go. You can't link. Tom, can you go to Twitch and link me there? YouTube doesn't allow links.
Tuck, rage with your friends.
YouTube is just dog shit. I'm sorry, man. It's just dog shit. I can't change it. It doesn't allow links because, yeah, that's no fake. Looks like the old German flag symbol. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Okay, we got this. Next frame. Lol, I wonder what that is. So essentially, it turned into a... Aha. So those turn here. Into those. And then there's one point in the middle between the two. Yeah. And then there is one place. Aha, I see now. Like this. Alright. Next frame. And then the game's paused. Goodness. Yeah, we gotta wait for that really quickly. Excuse me. I wonder how they did this. Maybe it's just a drawn animation. Bro, he had that reply ready, skull face. Nah, UI sucks. 2 more weeks and my setup would have been broken by me, lol. Quit everything. Wrong, brother. Still working on my game. Finished Vampire Survivors twice. You need to update yourself on the Cakez lore. True. I would have destroyed my PC if I had to use Godot more. Baby rage. Google dev must die. Status wiki. First page. Fine. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. Thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate it. Come on. Decide fast. Shit. That was too fast. Well, we need to go frame by frame. I know it sucks, guys. I know it sucks. No! No! I pressed the spacebar! I pressed the spacebar! Which means pause! Sorry, it really fucking triggers me! Sorry. Bitch. Oh, great! It's completely hidden. Fuck. Alright, Dev must die status wiki first page. Oh my god! They have the fucking animations there! Oh! Where is... No. Frozen, yeah, but they are chilled. Websites. This is what I'm working on right now. God, I need to make a video, guys. I'm just too stupid. Oh, I'm already making a video. Huh. I can't pause the recording right now. Yeah, so... God, I'm too stupid. Fuck, man. Shit. Download second version to OBS. Steals on streams. Sells many copies. Giga chat. Give up. Download and import the GIF to Acebreak. It's not a GIF. I can't save it as a GIF. Look, if I do that, then open it up, it doesn't work. Watch. Doesn't open. Right. Because it is a web page. A thing. GIF is probably a BBP to GIF like FFmpeg. I guess. True, I guess. We can do that, I guess. I hate this on every single website. They give you these pop-ups, right? It's really annoying every time, brother. Oh yeah, save. Okay, I just want to see how they do it. I don't necessarily want to steal it. Oh god. That many? Oh wait, so it starts with a single dot. Then it goes like this. This is the one we were doing here. Aha, so it even rotates like that to give it an animation. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the first one is 11 frames. Very interesting. So that is what we have here. It starts with a single dot. Come on. Stop. Interesting. And then, yeah, we have that. Actually, it is this. Interesting. Wait, I have a different one here. Wait. Maybe I started... Yeah, maybe... Maybe it was this. No. Maybe it is this one. Ah, yeah. Okay, so we had this. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Lol? What is this type of snowflake? That's odd. It's not even like, what is this called? Whatever that's called. But I guess we can do the same thing like here, right? When we have this. We can make a new frame and then have our own snowflake where this in the middle disappears. And then I guess this disappears. And then, wait, Control N, this disappears. This disappears, and then I see. So it's another one where those, and then that's gone. Okay, so this is one. Yeah, we could do this for now. What do you guys think? Why not just use AI? What are you doing? Stealing the original? Just how AI works, so just skip the labor and get the better results? No, bro. Okay, I just wanted to get an idea on how that effect could have been done. I know it's technically just taking exactly what they do, but now we use our own colors. Maybe I need to start going darker here. Earlier. A kebab! My man, good morning. Thank you very much for the raid. Good morning. We are currently researching, stealing down, stealing with AI, thumbs up. More witnesses to the yoink. Your Vampire Survivors games are not done. You just stopped after 10%. Also, your tower defense game counts as a new game because you completely reworked it. That YouTube guy's right, Cakez, nails. Wrong. Wrong. Absolutely wrong. No, you are lying and wrong. No. That is not true. Absolutely not. Hello, guys. How's your game coming along, Kebab? Thank you very much for the raid. We're currently getting inspired by a snow effect. And I have to say, the Death Must Die snow effect really is a really good one. Right, let's see. Okay, now we take this snow effect and make it as small as possible. Oh, guys, I have a question. Existential crisis? But it's alright. What happened? What's going on, bro? Looks like trash? Shut the fuck up. Listen. The only thing you said since you came here has been toxic stuff. Looks great, aside from the color. No, the color is great. Or should I use this blue instead? I think the color is good. Maybe here it should be this. Yeah. I watched your Godot video. Sucks that you had such trouble. I feel like I don't experience all of those bugs, but maybe I'm just blind to it and at this point. I don't know, man. I don't know. I wish I could tell you, bro. Unfortunately. Yeah, I think the engine, like the idea is great. You know, how it's set up. And it's easy to get going for sure. But I think they really need to fix the UI. Even if there are no bugs, the UI is just atrociously bad. I think it's the worst UI I have ever seen in any application, including games. And then on top of that, if you search the UI, you are no longer guaranteed to find every single submenu that you need. If you search for scale and you are looking in at a particle system, it will omit the scale curve from the result. There's literally an entire section for scale that is omitted by the search result. And so if that is one instance in which that happens, I'm pretty sure there are more instances in which that happens. Which means that you're no longer guaranteed to find everything that you're looking for. And then, yeah. It didn't search the child object, right? The process material, I don't know, maybe. I think it was in the process material. I could be wrong. It's been a while. But yeah. So that is just... It's crazy to have such a UI, okay, but then also have the search function broken. That was basically the nail in the coffin for me. Oh, sorry. Seven by 7 is bad. You can't really place pixels on 7 by 7. Needs to be 8 by 8. Yeah, but even then, maybe I just had a wrong version. Ads, okay. What are you working on? I'm working on a snowflake. I'm working on chat. Turned out pretty well, but I'm gonna do more snowflakes. So you are new to the channel. I saw that. I'm new to the.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm new to this channel. Hello, Rames. Good morning. Is that collector of stuff guy your stay humble chatter or just incredibly rude? He's just driver. Okay, fine. We'll try that. He's just incredibly rude. See that? He tries to interrupt me while I'm talking right now. What does restart mean? My computer? Or Steam? I still have the sprite atlas for Cakez. Might recolor it and release it under my name. Shut the fuck up. I knew this was gonna happen! It's just a snowflake, Ninx. Relax. Okay, we gotta speed up this process a little bit. It's 8 by 8. Put it somewhere in the texture atlas. I'm gonna get some food. Have a good one, peeps. Oh, you didn't tell me what your crisis is. But yeah, maybe you don't want to share. You gotta get your food, bro. Thank you so much for the raid. I hope you will manage your crisis, bro. There we go. Look, we can add another snowflake down here. That is the first one. God, I love making progress. Even if it's just a little bit, a tiny bit. All right. Good. Let's add it into the game. Am I in the correct location? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah! Relax. Goodness. Sprite effect. Sprite abilities, enemies, effects. Sprite effect, burning, poison. Sprite effect, chilled. Was it? Yeah, below. Hey, you've got a pretty sweet hot reload setup. As a Unity user, this makes me incredibly jealous. Wait, isn't Unity supposed to have hot reloading as well? Yeah, the hot reloading in the game is really nice. I cannot change data though. I can only change the code flow, right? So UI, for example. 848 and 240. 848 and 240, and then we do 8 by 8. And how many frames do we have even? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 frames, okay. There we go, and no pivot offset. Now that we have this in the game, we can go to apply buffs right here, and then copy exactly what we do with the bleed. We create an effect here. There we go. It's a position random range. Spread is the collider size, yeah. I suppose this is the blood drop effect. And we do the same thing for chilled. Where's chilled? To do an animation charts, yeah, we do that. Poison. Bleed a chilled. There we go. And we call this chill or snowflakes. Put that here. Okay, so the only thing I hope that we have to change is the velocity. Like by like 0.5 or something. So it's not that fast. And the sprite animation, sprite. Oh, it's an animation, right. Effect, chill. Well, let's see how it looks, right? And keep a life duration. I probably want to get rid of this, but we'll see. Let's build this again. All right, wonder what this looks like now. All right. Let us see. I wonder how many it drops. Okay, bro. Okay, that's quite a few. I mean, yeah. God damn it. Making Dark Souls after 2D game? Damn, that's one ambitious developer right there. I wish I could get excited by anything as much as Cakez gets excited. What? You can. By everything. Well, more passionate than excited. I just love this. God, yes! And we're gonna add Bloom to this, by the way. You're still doing this terrible game? Leave her already? Shut up, you little fucking bitch. Ice Cube? Yeah, this is the spawn area, by the way. It is a box. So I know why. Every frame we go here, we need to have some sort of tick rate. I guess this one thing. What is the tick rate by default? Tick count 4. Let's just see what that looks like. YouTube is so active today. Oh wow, yeah, Cakez, here you go. That snowflake looks like the old German flag design. Cakez, Google Dev must die. Vampire Survivors, shut the fuck up, Inukai. Yeah, why not just use AI? Fuck your teal. In Godot, I wrote my own particle system script because I didn't want to use the UI. Yeah, I can understand why, bro. Cakez, sorry Cakez, I can't watch you anymore. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday who diagnosed me with Clownitis. Shut up. He said, watching you makes me... Shut the fuck. Fuck you. You are learning something here, okay? You are actually really toxic. Fucking bitch. I'm not reading the rest. No. It's beneath me. Bye. Yeah. Yep. Leave! Not enough snowflakes? Ah ja. Wait a minute. I'm confused. Actually confused. Hä? Hä? What timing to join the stream, lol? Maybe it is applying the chill effect every time again. And therefore this is always reset the tick timer. I think that's the issue. Look, apply buff without the S. If we apply a chilled buff, we try to get the original buff, and then we just B. Oh, I see. This is the incoming buff. This is the buff that we find because we are trying to return a buff here. Cakez in the code right now. So we are overwriting everything, it looks like, which is bad because this is completely reset to 0. So maybe, but I don't want to do this, right? Because this will invite bugs. If I do float, tick timer is B tick timer, right? I save that, and then I set the tick timer to the tick timer, right? I basically store and write. If I do that, then this invites bugs. Because let's say I add another buff that functions the exact same way, right? Let's say shock. Well, now I have the same issue here, right? So that can't be the solution. What am I supposed to do here then? Full variable for argument, single letter for var. Oh god, stop complaining, bro. Listen here, fine. I don't know, let's call it present buff. You happy, bro? There we go. And what is B1? Yeah, I guess B1. I do that, I see. Cakez washed up in drugs as a child, like Obelix in a magic drink? What? Inuka is based as usual, leaving after 5 minutes of ignored YouTube chat. You rookie. I have the stamina to wait for 30 to 60 minutes. Shut the fuck up. Fuck, man, this is shit. This is shit. Actually shit. This sucks. How do I do it better? It's a solution though. If I just use this, I have the solution right now. Right? Or if I find a buff that where the chill effect... By the way, this really sucks here. Look at the bottom. This equal sign is really in the wrong location. It's gotta be in the right one, okay? There has to be a space between the name and the equal sign. What we could do is, instead of overwriting this, we could take a look at the data of the buff. What do we have? Type, owner. I have to rewrite everything. I need to change this. The duration. The time. Yeah, no. I think this is the best thing to do. The keeping, saving the tick timer. It's fine. We'll do it like this. Damn, you're right. It's right there in the tags. No backseating. This guy's so fucking shut the fuck up, bitch. Okay, let's see if this works. The ordering issue? We'll see. Yeah, maybe. He unfreezes too fast. He's behind. But I know what to do in order to fix this. I know exactly what to do. On the effect, right? We can take a target ID, which is the ID of the unit. We can target a certain unit, and then it will always be in front. Watch. See that? It will always be in front. I've had that issue, which is why I implemented this, and then the effect will always take a look at the target and draw it in front. So we don't have to keep this in here. And then what we can do also is give it options. For example, transparent and bloom. Let's see how that looks. Oh wow, 2? That's bad. They don't move though. I see. If it's targeting, then they don't move. Wait. I know what to do here. In this case. Draw sprite. Effect layer. Only do this if we don't have a velocity. If the velocity is 0, then set the center. If not, keep the velocity but set the layer. God, smart. See, these types of things, you can't do that in commercial engines. See that? It just works. Haha. Now we just need to increase the tick rate because I think it needs to tick more. There needs to be more than just this little bit. So tick rate is for the chilt effect. Wait, is that a float? Tick count. I see. Am I changing this sometimes? It's a const. I can't even change that. Let's see. So tick rate would be... Wait. Tick count duration. I'm just gonna set this to emit a particle every 0.5 seconds. Oh, lol. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Huh? What do you think? Looks awesome, damn. Yeah, I think so too. This is the chill effect. Why are they doing nothing? I didn't implement damage for them yet, but I do have enemies that do something. If you want to see something like that, I can give you skeleton spear or something. Skeleton knight. Is it the knight? Maybe it's the knight. Not sure. Is it the knight? Yeah, this guy. He tosses spears at my units. This is one of the later enemies. I still need to draw a correct spear. And the walking animation is also a little bit odd, but yeah, spear strong. It's a good skeleton, yeah. And so this one is supposed to be a necromancer who is supposed to spawn a bunch of skeletons. And this guy is supposed to be a spear guy. And then when he dies, I might turn him into a spear guy. So the idea is that... And I wonder if that works as a gameplay mechanic. The stronger the unit, the more it drops other units on death, if that makes sense. So for example, this guy would spawn this guy and maybe 3 other smaller skeletons. And then if this guy dies, he spawns 2 smaller skeletons. Right? And a skeleton spawns a crawler and stuff like that. Shit. Oh shit. It's completely fucked. Well, I see this location is never cleared. Uh-huh. I found a bug. We need to fix that really quickly. Okay, we got him down. So, lol. There is still some weird bugs with this. So essentially, usually this is how the game starts. Maybe I just give it a downwards velocity. Right, velocity would be no position or something, just a downwards velocity of 1. Not sure. Maybe 1 is too much, too little too. Are you concerned about separating engine stuff from your game just in case you use it in another project? Yeah, if I want to make a new game, then I just delete the entire game CPP file or everything that is in here. Almost everything. I need to keep the update game function. And this. I need to keep this. But everything in here can go away except for the bumper locator. So yes, there is some stuff that I have to keep, but for the most part, I can just get rid of it. And then make a new one. It's definitely more stuff required than just making a new project, like in an engine. What the fuck is Lip Schnitzel? This is a name from chat. Came up with this name. You learn to not question after a while. That's chat's decision. Instead of wasting time on effects, shouldn't you test if the bosses even work on that game? Looks like something that is easy to break design-wise. Maybe you need to get inspiration from Bean Beasts. The effect is part of the gameplay, bro. Dude, what the fuck? Dude. 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 What the fuck? Okay. Next. We still have time. Next is another snowflake. So bad. Shut the fuck up. We make another snowflake. This is what I had earlier as well. Yeah, we had that earlier too. But then the last frame was ruined. Because I didn't know how they did it. See, it is like that. I knew it. Like this. Get rid of those. Like that. Mm-hmm. This. That is the last snowflake that I'll do. Have 2 variations. I wonder if it's 8 frames too in the end. Need to get rid of this and this, right? It's actually 1 frame less. Interesting. No, it's 1 frame less. Okay, let's color this. Let's do it inverted. Maybe we can create some cool little effect. That looks nice too. I wonder if this looks nice as well. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Then I suppose we should start with this.
Morgan Gigabitch.
Hello, my man, Mr. Amida. How's it going, bro? Good morning. We're currently working on effects, snowflake effects. You know, like chat. Well, thank you very much for subscribing to YouTube, bro. I appreciate it very much. Oops. There we go. Now we have another snowflake of 8 frames. And it starts here, I think, right? Is this 8? Okay. Let's add that into. Chilled. Rename this to Chilled 01. And then we do Chilled 02. Same thing, except we only have 8. And then instead of 240, it's 248. Nice. And then here in the game, when we choose the effect, we need a random variable. Random range between 0 and 2, I guess. Right? And then int effect I don't know, random effect index, I guess, is turn this into an int And then if we have an effect index greater than 0, then we use 2. Otherwise, we use 1.
Balls, 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 balls.
Creating a folder on Godot for a new project is annoying. I really like this schnitzel lib where you only have to copy the folder, delete the parts of the game CPP and change the build SH. I don't have to change build SH, okay?
Balls, 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 balls. Hungry face, hungry face, hungry face.
It's a little bit too many, isn't it? Isn't it spawning a little too many? I wonder why... Do you even know your own code, or rather the executable name? Oh yeah, the executable name, I have to change that, that's true. Wait. Let's spawn a wizard again. Skeleton wizard. Okay. Oh shit. It's the other guy too. I don't know if it is actually spawning the two different ones. How do I know that? And then it fades, okay. Okay, wait. So this one starts like that, okay. Ah, it does. It does spawn the other one sometimes. Cool. And then we can also keep it alive. Maybe that allows me to not blend at the very end, but I think it looks good enough already. I think it's fine already, the way it is. Yeah, it's fine. This is okay. Maybe it needs to move down a little bit faster. What do you guys think? Like 4? Huh? Cakez, I really got confused for a second when I stepped away from the PC for a second and looked back in the screen. The scrolling skeleton enemies somehow look like crawling toddlers for a second. Just by the sheer silhouette. They will have a skeleton body at some point. Like, you know, skeleton arms and stuff. I just didn't finish drawing them yet because I was lazy. Oh! Okay, guys, we have the chill effect. And we have 20 minutes to draw another ice effect. This was the previous one. Looked kinda shitty. Not gonna lie. Looked kinda bad. But let's see here. I'm not gonna copy it. I'm not going to. I know what to do. I know how to do it. I know how to do this effect. We'll do the effect. in the same size as the flame. 32 by 48. 32 by 48. There we go. And we start with a silhouette. What type of colors do they use? They use... very bright... I don't have that, I just have this. They almost use white. I guess I'll have to use white then. It's fine. Why exactly focus on the game for inspiration? Isn't there more pixel art eyes? Yes, but this game, in my opinion, has the clearest visuals and cleanest pixel art of any game that I have seen so far that is top down. It is a work of art and looks very professional. That's why I take a look a lot. You missed a lot of YouTube action today, Mr. Ameda. We had politics, some guy who fronted Cakez hard and made him almost cry, and many new faces. Okay, bro. Inukai, I love YouTube. I can just rewatch it later. Yeah, you can. You can just go back while the stream is on even. It's not stealing if you sell it in the right country. Guys, I'm not stealing. Okay, so we have to... By the way, do you guys use... Hello, Rightkill, my man. Good morning. Do you guys use a sprite? Is there a way to lock the movement here so I can't move this anymore? Can I like freeze this in place so I don't accidentally use the middle mouse to move this? Is there a way to lock this? Maybe view? Alt F4. Change the hotkey. Okay, so there's this dude right here. We killed one of them before. He is decently easy. You just have to stay on his back. Hey, Marusio, long time no see, bro. Alt tab, left arrow key, then delete key. Okay, bro. Try nail and hammer. It's got to be a way. Whatever. I'm gonna Google this. Let's see. Lock screen from moving a sprite. I'm pretty sure. And to disable the move view when cursor at edge. How to disable auto-scrolling viewport when I reach the editor. Auto-scroll on edges. Unplug mouse. Wow, a random clip. Okay, it's gonna disable them now. Shut up. No. But you tried to spam random clips yesterday. Let's try to get the shape again. So, stop.
Do the dab on the furry haters? Sure.
So it's like a... These types of... Then straight. Almost. There's some long lines. See. To make it look like ice. Yeah, that looks much better. I see. That works very well. I get it now. Okay. I think I got the left side right, the right side right. Now I have to do the same with the left side. Something like that. But I feel like their thing, mine is like too straight, right? So how do they do that? I guess they go in here again. So instead of just having everything here, they do that. That also works. And then I guess they do this too here. Like that. And then they don't have... They have like one big one, and then there's like some smaller ones here. Right? But it still looks like... so essentially something like this. Where it's not straight. But then I don't like that, how this looks. Right? That's gotta be a bit better. Maybe. Maybe this? So essentially I have to think in this, guys. In order to make ice work, you have to think in this. In like Dreiecke. So I have to draw a piece like that. This, and then move that in. Right? Something like that. And so over here we have this piece. That's a Dreieck. And then over here we have another piece. That's another Dreieck. And that way we can build off of those. Right? So if I have a Dreieck here, then this is another edge. Okay, merge down. And then, I see. So it is mostly transparent. I get it. Let's see. Now we have to actually build it. How do they do that? Let's think. I need to have like a snowy side and a not snowy side. Right? And that has to be straight. Yeah. Maybe not as perfect. The snowy side is always like eating into the normal side. There we go. It's starting to look good. Like this. Good. And then over here we have another snowy side to the left, where it also goes down. Very nice. And then it also like eats into this a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Looking nice. Now the only thing that's kinda dog is this part right here. So maybe we have to take the entire thing here. Just move it in by one. Yeah. Looks like man juice? No, you're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. And you will see in a second when I'm done with this that you are mistaken by your beliefs, sir. You, sir, are mistaken. How did you get into pixel art? I'm ass at it. You wanna see my first tree? Wanna see my first tree? I'll show you. That is my first ever pixel art tree. And so once I saw that, I was like, damn, I need to somehow learn how to do art because I can't afford an artist. And then I got hooked. I was like, it's either this or I learn. And so I decided to go the learning route and said, well, if I sit down and do one piece every day, no matter how big it is, you know, and sometimes I would just draw a button, I will eventually get good at pixel art. Just by sheer, not coincidence, consistency. And I was ass at pixel art too, bro. This tree looks terrible. But if you spend the time, doesn't even have to be much. You can learn how to place pixels correctly, because in order to do pixel art, you don't really have to be good at art. You only have to be good at placing boxes. You know, it's like Lego pieces. And that's how I got into pixel art, bro. You can do it too. Blabbering, shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Alright, so how do we do this? Shit, I'm not supposed to do that. Just supposed to draw. Let's take inspiration again. So yeah, some of these are very dark blue. So for example, this would be dark blue here, since this is in the back. And then we also have some dark blue here to show that this is actually transparent. Very interesting how they do that. I wonder if it works actually. They do have very high quality effects. That's crazy, man. I don't know how they managed to do that. I guess it's just years of experience, isn't it? I don't feel like you know what take inspiration means. What are you talking about? Like Bob Ross. Hey, Bitsnake. Welcome on YouTube. Inukai, are you feeling okay? You used a different emote and I'm worried. Cakez, you should remake the Tower Survivors in Odin. Rayson might help you as well once Jinder Bill is there. If they are babysitting, you will finish the game for sure. Who is Rayson? Is this the Raylip guy? You're saying that if they too babysit me, shut the fuck up. Okay, it's crazy toxic, man. Wow. Right click, save as, done in a harder way, but done in a harder way. No, guys, are you stupid? It is my image, my own image. The only difference here is that I'm taking inspiration from how the colors are drawn. So you can see that to the left there are brighter colors and to the right there are darker colors. Okay, and so what I'm doing here now is basically I'm trying the same. And then seeing how that works. Like I make my own by adding to it, not just slapping my name on it. Shut up. Listen, guys. You can disagree. It's fine. That's totally okay. You can do what you want. But gotcha, bitch. In the end, I think... in the end, this is how I do things. Okay, let's get some brighter blue here. To show that this is, in fact, the front. Kinda looks ass, I have to say. But maybe it will lead into something good. We'll see. You never know. You never know. This doesn't really work. Anything. This should be dark blue then. Now I'm totally confused. Like, how do they do this? Looks so good, but for me it just looks ass. It looks really bad. Cakeman, do you use ADMC units palette? No, I use a palette from low spec. I don't know. And thank you, the coffee shop. Thank you very much for following. I hope the genes of the mother are dominant. If not, I have no hope for the... Shut the fuck up. Hello, Trample. My man, long time no see. Hey, Cakes and chat, how are you doing? I'm doing good, bro. And you? Thanks for asking. Goodness. It's difficult, man.
Am I so out of
Stuff is
touch?
difficult. Oh, my man's a male.
No.
Z-Mayo just
Holy
subscribed.
shit.
Big
30
six support
fucking
for
years.
30 years. Hey man. I'm just saying hello, then I will go back to watching your Godot Tower defense
man,
video.
yeah. Tell me how you like it, if you like it. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. What a nice fucking person. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate it. And the long-lasting support as well. It's crazy. 30 fucking months. Incredible. My man. What an incredible person. He's been there since day fucking one. Still here. My man. Hello, Trample. Yeah, my man. And Trample is like the craziest supporter of all time. It's crazy. Literally, I'm streaming because of him. Lol. That doesn't really work, does it? I wanna try something. I think it works now. Might work. Cakez, do you like games which hide recipes behind RNG like Skyrim potion making? Difficult to say because it's not an essential part of the game, so it doesn't feel bad if they do it. However, usually I don't like it. It is starting to get better, but it is still a long way from looking good. Maybe. Maybe this. Nah, that looks bad. Disgusting mechanic. Yeah, it's not disgusting. I think you don't know how to imagine how ice is supposed to look. Like maybe take a real picture reference. No, I think I'm getting there. Actually, I think I am very close. I think I actually am. Yeah. This is looking nice. Yeah, it is. Now that I'm using my brain, I feel like it is easier for me to understand how it should look. No. Yeah. We're starting to get there. Dark Souls? Yeah. I'm gonna do Dark Souls in a second. The only thing that looks odd is this part here. In my opinion. Hi, I'm new here. I think I got here from a stage rate overnight. Is roasting cakes like a thing here? Chat is brutal with the criticism, Lemao. Yeah, they just try to stop me from making a good game because they're jealous. It's normal, yeah. Because they can't fathom making a game themselves. That's just how it is, brother. It's fine. Yeah, I'm used to it. That's okay. Big noobos. That looks bad. That looks really bad.
Gotcha, bitch!
My man, I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. No, that looks bad. That looks bad too. It is almost, I think. If I do say so myself. No? Yeah? Yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's starting to look really smexy. The only thing I don't like is this part right here in the back. This one. I have to somehow get rid of this. I don't know how. Maybe this stuff has to like melt into here. Right? To actually turn it into real ice. Flute song. Yeah, I love this song. Love this song. When I started playing around with digital painting after years of pen and pencil drawing, I had the terrible realization that everything has to be lit and shaded. I feel like that's the hardest part of drawing, painting pixel art to figure out. That's what I'm working on right now. The shading and the lit part. The lit part you can obviously see is the white stuff here. The shading is obviously the dark stuff. Now, getting that right is a little difficult. You are right, sir. Trying right now to not make it look like ass. Yeah. That is actually looking really good. Wow. Damn. Yep, we're getting there. Today, boys. Today's the day. Wow. Damn. This, I think I keep it like this for now. The only thing I don't like is that these two repeat. You see that? These two are basically almost an entire copy of each other without me even doing a copy. That sucks. If Cakez was an ice mage, would anyone take him take him AA WoW raid? Maybe Inuka was right, just use AI. Shut up, bitch. Fuck you. That's good. I think it's good enough, yeah. And so the idea is now that we animate this. How do we do this? We do 3 frames of coming in. 1, 2, and then from this frame onward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of going away. So this is the reference frame. If we go to the left, we basically, it needs to come in. So it needs to go from left to right, meaning we have to somehow delete some stuff while not destroying too much. Right? Have to also make these a little smaller and not have too many broken or loose pixels. Very important. Okay, now we take this. Wait, first we go to the left, delete this image. We go to the we go to the right, copy this image, go to the left, paste it, and then we go even crazier with the deletion, where you almost have nothing, but at least most of the white pixels are still there. Okay, so basically the idea is this. See that? How it like it basically freezes, right? Now it's frozen. And from this point onward, we just delete the pixels in a smart way. Let's see. I see. So it basically eats holes into it. So we start eating holes away now. Right. You know what? I'm just gonna stamp. I'm just gonna stamp like this. Bloop. Oh no. Bloop. 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 Try to not keep too many pixels alone. Copy this. Wait, actually, make a new frame and eat away more. God, I love pixel art sometimes. It's so easy. And then nothing. And then the rest of the frames, just delete. Hey, what the fuck? Huh? Delete all of the frames, dude. This. I see. So it has to stay on frame certain for a while before deleting itself. Okay, wait. Frame free. Control N. So like this. This is what the freeze effect will look like. We're onto something now, yeah. So now the thing is, we have to stay on frame free for a while before we continue, right? So because literally we repeat this frame how many times? So we need to stay on frame free for a while. Open recent frozen. Let's put that here, right next to this effect. Guess I'll put it here. Is there enough space? Yes. Okay, so this is the frozen effect now. Maybe the frozen effect is actually a little bit too far. Maybe it has to be like this for it to actually work. Right, let's see. Let's add that into the game really quickly. Playing Minesweeper, yeah, it kind of is like playing Minesweeper. Sprite effect frozen. How many frames do we have, by the way? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frames, good. Then this is 32 by 48 and... Oops. Oops. It is on position 912 and 1360. 912 and 1360. There we go. Now that we have this, we can add it into the frozen buff. If we are frozen, the thing is, it's gonna be difficult because we need to... Where's frozen? Here. Emit particles. Yeah, we don't do that, but we are going to animate. So draw frozen effect. Right? What we can draw first is actually draw sprite effect frozen at the unit's position. Or was it collider origin? Yeah. At the origin of the collider, and then using an animation index, come on, of 2. So now we need to give our unit 100% freeze chance for this to work. Let's do that really quickly. Here. You will get... Oh, freeze chance, we already have that. Let's give him 100%. So he always freezes. Not 98, 100. Safe. Okay. Now, since he always freezes, also did we save and export the atlas? Let's see how this looks first. Ah, yeah. We have to spend skill points as well, of course. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Huh? What? Isn't there some sort of freeze chance? Physical reflect, lightning damage, true damage, intervene, freeze chance, cold damage, impact, freezing hits. Ah. If cold damage is greater and it's an impact and freezing hit. Wait, so first we need to check if it's an impact, right? Well, if we have... Wait. Well, we need to first check, do we have an impact, right? Because we can have a cold damage over time effect that is not supposed to freeze. Do we have an impact? Yes. And then, do we have cold damage greater than 0 or do we have freezing hits? These are the two OR checks. So either we can freeze always or we can only freeze with cold damage. Then we apply the freeze chance. Okay, so that was wrong. That was a wrong if check. So now he should get frozen. So easy. Sometimes it feels like someone else did the hard work already. Ah, there it is. There is the freeze chance. Okay, so how do we do this? We know... Aha. We know how long the duration is, right? Now, we need to somehow find a curve that leads up to the third frame, stays there for a while. We need to define our own easing curve, essentially, based on the t value. So we need to define a float t, which is, I guess, do we have that here already? Do we have a t value? We don't have a t value. We have a time and a duration for buffs. How many years have you been developing this video game? Hello there, Unpredictable. I have been developing the game for about 2.5 years, maybe a bit longer. And soon we will approach the third year. Soon the third year will be complete. Then I have one more year to finish my game. Yeah. T. So essentially we need to define a curve which is based on the B duration divided by the time. No, the time divided by the duration. Hey, my man, thank you very much for following, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, the idea is that I hopefully will have a working demo version soon. That I can upload again to Steam, and then you guys can test the version for free. T. Okay, so now we have a T value, and what we want to do is find a way. So I guess we do an if check. If t is less than 0.2, then we just get an int. Wait. Int animation edx is 2. And then we give a comment. Freeze effect edx2 is full freeze. Right, we put the comment here so we remember why we do this. If t is less than 0.2, then we set the animation index to animate. That doesn't work. It does. It does. Animate, taking in the t value. And the... Oh, we need the sprite. Okay, wait. Sprite. Freeze. Sprite. Let's get sprite. Get that. We animate using the freeze sprite.frame count. Yeah, but don't I have more? Listen, there are more duration. Yeah, the duration is based on the buff's duration. So now, if the animation index here is greater than 2, then we set the animation index to 2. Ah, this is bad. This is shit. I hate it. Because I can change my freeze duration. I can make it... And what does this return? Why are you complaining? Float. Oh, it's a time pointer. I see. That was some good copium cakes. How do I do this, man? How do I do a flat curve? And then perfectly...
Gotcha, bitch.
I guess we'll do it like this. We'll see if it fucks up or not. It
Gotcha,
can
bitch.
fuck up here. Let's just see how that works. And Endurance Games, thank you guys for following. I really appreciate it. Welcome. Alright, wait, did anything break here? No. So the idea is this now. I wonder if it works, actually. He gets frozen immediately. This kind of sucks. I need to see it in side looper. So he's frozen right now. This guy is frozen. Ah, I see what the issue is. I understand now. So essentially what we're doing here is we this is bad. So we need to calculate something. Oh god, this is so difficult. Guys, we need to do math. Essentially what I want to do is the following. Okay? I need a function, right? I need a function that does the following. It goes from 0 to 0.2 over 0.2 seconds. And then it stays at 0.2. Stay here for a while. And then go from 0.2 to 1 over 0.8 seconds. Or something. Not sure if over 0.8 seconds. This is basically what I want to do. But this is based on the duration. Do the following based on duration. Which is variable. Okay? Which is variable. So basically we can have a duration of 1. But the duration can also be 2, 3, stuff like this. Right, and I want to turn this. And we also have obviously a float timer, you know. Which is plus equals delta time. Oh my god, what did I do now? Where's my cursor? My cursor's gone! Hey! Ah, there it is. It's back. Hey! What the fuck? Okay, cursor's back. timer is in 0 to duration. But there's more. There's more. There's more. There's more. This 0.2 is, it depends. So essentially I want to do the following. Watch. I'm gonna write you the equation and then you know what to do. Watch. So basically the int, lol, what was that E? Basically this, the float, and I call it hold point, is we want the animation index 2, right? Yeah, and hold there. Just let me explain first, right? Because I really need to go to the bathroom. Oi. The hold point is the... So, hold point is, and this is an equation, 2 is the same as the freeze sprite.frame count multiplied by the timer divided by the duration. This equation, I think, something. I'm missing the hold point here. The hold point needs to be in this equation. How do I know that? Ah. Like this. Wait, I need the duration and timer in there as well though. It needs to be a hold point. Wait. So essentially what I need to do is take the... Wait, the duration and timer have to be in there. It's actually pretty easy. However, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Don't teach a man to do basic math. He's a grown man and it's not that difficult. What is this guy? Just wait 2 months and the child can help you with the math. Fuck off. Cakez, when did you last do a git commit? I don't know. Git log. I can't even do that right now. Stop! Don't! Guys!
Don't fucking distract me from this problem, okay? Shut the fuck up about git commits. Who cares?
We don't do this here, okay? We make games. I need the hold point in there somehow. I need an equation. Compared to his shader. I'm pretty sure his one is way more tilted. Cakez? No, I had to use Git as well, but at least keeps the project safe. Kick W. Hope he creates a new branch to do this. Who cares about new branch, bro? Listen. I've never had any issues. What did I just do? Fuck, man. It's 2.5 hours already. We need to get to Dark Souls. This problem is difficult. Hold point. Install driver? Okay, fine. We'll try that. I see. So this... Wait. Float T is... What does restart mean? My timer computer? Divided by duration. Or Steam. Fuck. This is ridiculous. This hold Steam point. I knew this was gonna happen! And then the hold point multiplied by freeze count has to be 2. Has to be 2. Need to go to the bathroom. I don't know yet. Read my previous message. I'm gonna read it next. Yeah. Wait.
Gotcha, bitch.
And I need my phone.
Himself
See
into
how
the pit
fast I
again.
got far, how far I got high. How high I got there.
Oh, cool. Hey! What is this with this game, man? Fuck you. That's so. Hey! No! Please stop! Oh, come on, man. This is so fucking dumb. Dumb. I'm okay. Someone putting his dick in water? What is this? What the fuck?
Is it hot or cold? Well, it's starting to get cold because I barely have anything left.
Didn't you say he's fairly easy yesterday? Why are you struggling? Well, the first one was, yeah, because he didn't do any damage, but this one you can't see anything. And second, he's black.
Thank God I'm back. No!
Ekant.
Experience. Whenever I finally have something visually pleasing.
Whenever I have something visually pleasing!
Copy, I don't know how to explain that because it's starting to get fucking difficult!
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
Wait!
I'm back. Guys, did you solve it?
Oh my god!
I hate Kunst! Kunst is trash!
Sturdy Paws has a message for me. Where the fuck are you?
spent
Where's your
300
message?
million
Stop distracting
on
me.
money.
Sturdy Paws, read my previous message. Okay. Where's your massage? Give me the massage.
Give me the massage!
Nope, but English please, yep. Get here. If he read my previous message, classic. Cakez, very honestly, not trolling, the frozen effect looks back. If it were filled, then maybe. Fuck you. I thought you had the answer, man. Read my previous message. I'm gonna ban you, little bitch. How's this guy VIP? I'm gonna remove VIP from you. Little bitch. I thought this guy would be actually helpful. I wish Cakez would have a day where he just does programming, Sag. Shut the fuck up, I'm making a game, bitch. Fuck you. Look at this guy. Okay, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. Rude Cakez. Fuck you. Hello there, Robotic Head. Welcome. Thank you so much for raiding. Good morning, guys. Hope you had a good stream, bro. Pussy? No, steady pose is... What do you mean, really? Really?
How do we do this, man?
Wait, I know how to do it. So essentially we do this. We have a float, start up, or ramp. Then we have a float, hold. And then we have a float, disperse. Maybe it's... So the ramp is the duration. The buffs, duration. Right. And we take 20% for the ramp. Then the buff's duration, we take 60% for the hold. And then we take... See, this is why I go to the bathroom. Because then we can actually... Hello, Samuel. We can actually get a small disconnect from the problem, come back and be smarter. Because we can now take duration... multiplied by 0.2. So we have 20% ramp, 60% hold, and 20% disperse, and 100% skill. Just notice, just saying. Right, Cakez about to ban 30 posts. I'm really trying to help, and the dude wants to ban me. Why, Madge? How are you helping? I don't think you honestly think the effect is bad? Your honest opinion is that the effect is bad because it is transparent. I think it looks really good. Gotcha, bitch. Because it works. Listen, so I understand why the effect is transparent, bro. Let me explain to you. The reason why the effect is transparent is because the unit is already blue. Right? The effect on its own is bad because it is transparent, but since the unit below is blue, it works itself out again. He said stuff later. What did he say? You just flexed your lack of reading skills and skipped one? Eh? Well, then I apologize. Lerp with clamp. Oh, I see. You mean this. I'm sorry. Yeah, right. Ice tab looks a bit long. Cakez wrong. I apologize, Mr. Sturdy Post. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. Do you take my apology? I'm sorry, man. You're a big brother. I appreciate it, man. What did you say? How goes the game dev? It goes good. What game are you making, Robotic Cat, if you're still here? Sorry, and Audio Speak, thank you very much for following. Sturdy is not toxic. I want you to really succeed, man. Yeah, my man, I appreciate it, man. I thank you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I really am. I'm sorry. I missed that. I didn't ask ChatGPT, you're wrong. It's my own idea. So this is what we do. And then we do the following. we need to create a timer that goes through these. Wait. Wait. I suppose we have to do this. If okay, so from 0 to 0.2, we just animate normally. We have done that before. And that works. And we don't look at the duration, but we look at t, which is a linear interpolation. Over here. All right, now. From 0 to 2, here we do this, right? And then over here, we set the animation index to 2. And then from here, from 0.8 to 1, we have to generate a different t value. We have to, for the remainder, so we have to basically take a t value and fuck. We have to go from we have to somehow animate from the animation index 2 upwards in 20% of the remaining time, if that makes sense. This is unreal watching you do this live. Really? Bacon flip? Cool. And I'm pretty sure I missed the reply, didn't I? Grüße dich, Digi. Thank you, audio speaker. Appreciate it. Quite fun, your commentary. Oh, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. That is very nice. Cakes, what time is it in German? It's 2 p.m. Robotic Cat, did you answer what you were making? Or is he gone already? No, he's gone already. Okay. Ever since I said it as a joke 1 or 2 days ago, I really want to hear Cakes trying to pronounce. No. Absolutely not. Okay, so this animation index is difficult to do. We need to find a way that the... So how do we fucking do this, man? Duration divided by the animation frames gives you t per frame. The time per frame. I think that's a start. That is a start. We are right now 80% into the duration. We have 20% left. Right, that time. So we have our float duration, or like the, what is it called? The disperse duration is basically the buff's duration and multiply that by 20%, right? That is how long we have here. Now that we have the duration, we need to start animating at animation index 3 and onwards. So we need to go from animation index 3 to the end. This is what we do next. Over this duration. Cakes, Desmos, look at that graph. You're smart. You can understand it. I don't think it works. Wait. I know what you mean. And then -2. We need this. We need this. Wait. And I clamp it here, which we don't do. Right? So essentially, we know that the time will never be greater than 1. So essentially, I have to take t, divide that by the remaining duration. No, by the buff's duration. Then the frame count. And then remove 2. No, that doesn't work, Sturdy Pose, I think. Because I also have to add... It doesn't work, unfortunately, bro. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. It needs to be in 0 to 1 range. It doesn't work. Because I'm skipping a percentage, not a number. Fuck, man, this is so difficult. Fuck, bro. You can normalize it. Listen, man, I don't know how to do it. We are starting at 80% into the animation. So I was just gonna do this. Right? Wait. Sorry, float. Disperse. Duration is... We take the buff's duration. Right? And multiply that by 0.2. Then that is how long it takes, right? And then we just animate using a fresh t value. T is now over this duration we animate. Wait, oh, the disperse duration. 3 different animations. We start there, then we animate, but then we reach the end too fast. Right, don't we? Don't we start too fast there? Over this duration, I want to animate. I get it now. I understand now. Yes, it works. Just wait. I want to animate +2. We start +2. I want to frame count -2 here. I want to animate the remaining -3 actually. I want to animate the remaining. If I have 10 frames, I already animated the first 3 frames. right? And then we have 7 frames remaining. I want to animate those 7 frames over this duration, but I'm starting at frame 3. Like this. Cakez Marv. Being serious for once. As you can see with the lack of nails, I wouldn't make more sense to split the animation into 3 parts instead. That makes scaling the actual freeze effect simpler too. I have no idea, bro. I have actually no idea. But this should work. I think. I think this works. It is going to work, because I believe. Do you guys believe too? Yes? Praise? I believe? No? No? Praise? Okay. I'm praising too. It is going to work. Also, study post you can close that. Holy shit. Too many fucking things open. What is this? Oh, that's yoinkage. I see. I believe. I don't believe, but I hope. I need 2 to make it work, actually. Or, wait. I know what to do. I'm just gonna do this. I attack 0.2. My attack speed is very low now. Huh? Huh? How did you not get frozen? It works! It fucking works! It just works! I'm too good at this. Damn! Awesome! Yeah. It is actually easier to split the animation. No, it's not really easier. It's not easier to split the animation because then I still have to animate from there. Why do people say if you want to make money, game dev isn't for you? It's almost sounds like wanting money as a game dev is an insult to the industry. I can't work in Walmart forever. Listen, man, start making games today, bro. You can always start making games. Of course, start next to your job, bro. I would recommend you to start in the mornings, where you are fresh, you have the most intelligence, you're just waking up, no one is gonna disturb you. If you have people disturbing you, just wake up earlier. Yeah, start making games today, bro. You don't even have to do any special training or tutorials. You can literally start making a game right now. Of course, man. This equals procrastinating. Okay, cool. We made a freeze effect, and in that sentiment, stats I need... wait, it's called init stats, right? Init base... stats. Create base... Oops. Base stats. So the base freeze duration, I want to turn this to 2 seconds at minimum. I think 1 second is too short. Let's try again. Yeah. It's too short. It's too short. What? We only get cake streams in the evening. Hello, Metal Storm. Do it, build. Do I have any bugs? No, I don't. I think the ramp needs to be faster in the hold. That's not 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I mean, I guess it is. Huh. I guess it is. Huh. Thank you very much for following, Chaotic. That's sad. That's also sad to hear. They said it because game dev salaries are generally lower than in nearby tech jobs, but you can literally just start making games and hopefully in 10 years have success. It's very hard, but very satisfying. Yeah, of course. And games can be a passive income for a long time. How's Mr. Double D's Nuts doing today? Good. I actually, talking about nuts, I actually think, guys, that I am allergic to nuts. Because I have eaten Snickers, and Snickers contains nuts. And the day after, I got a headache in the evening. And then the next day, well, where I had the headache, I ate Snickers again. And then the next day, I got headache again. And when I say I ate Snickers, I don't mean I ate 1 bar. I ate 5-pack Snickers. I ate those. The 5-packs. You know these? I ate one of these. Okay, so it's not just get yourself tested. That's the sugar killing you. No, that is not true. Yesterday, I drank half of this. It was still here, so I had to drink it, right? So... It's not the sugar. I want some Snickers now. That might add up too. And so today, I don't have a headache either. And so the other day, I was eating this. Right? I ate this on Thursday last week before we went to the wedding. I ate 1 entire package. Okay. And on the wedding, on Friday, when I was at the wedding from my friend, I had a headache as well. And it's always the same type of headache. I feel like I'm fat, like my entire body feels like it is full with water, like it's expanding. And over here, where the eyes are, like in this region, right below the eyebrows, in the eye sockets, this is where I usually get a lot of pressure then. And so no, it's not electrolytes. It's not electrolytes. It's the inflammation that sugar causes, my man. Listen, bro. I ate sugary stuff yesterday. I ate 2 ice creams too. I ate sugary stuff the day before. Just like I wanted to make sure that it's the nuts. So I kept eating sugar throughout the days. No, my diet is not just crap. But I still ate a lot of sugar in the evening to keep the sugar there. To make sure that it's not the sugar. So I did eat sugar on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days in a row, and I didn't have any headache. Nothing. Literally absolutely nothing. And it can't be stacked up because every day I ate nuts the next day in the evening. Like it seems to me like it's 18 to 20 hours. That's when I would get a headache. Hello, Aizen. Don't you used to treat your body like a temple and exercise and talk about food every stream? Now you're eating entire week's worth of Snickers in one day and entire bottle of Coke for multiple people. I've been here a while, just quiet. Oh, I see. Diabetes. Now, while yes, I did eat this, and yes, I did eat the Snickers before. This was supposed to be the dessert. The stuff that I ate before was actually really healthy. I made myself a salad, and what else did I make? What did I eat? I forgot. I totally forgot, but it was healthy. Yeah. Future cakes? No, I'm not gonna get fat. But I think it is actually the nuts that cause something, if you're allergic to them, at least for me, that cause a headache like 20 hours down the line. I don't know what it is, but it seems like it's peanuts and like any type of nut. Like these are not nuts, I know, but they are basically the same thing. Try nuts raw without crab. Yeah, I could try that too. But I listen, like the reason why I think it's nuts as well, I've been in the wilderness collecting shrooms with my parents a while ago, right? In the forest. And while we were doing this, I had a bag of nuts with me. Hazelnuts. The cheapest ones you can get from Aldi, whatever, right? Aldi North. And while we were doing this, I was eating the nuts. And as we were done, as we got to the car, all of a sudden my throat started to enclose and I had difficulty breathing. And I never had that before in my life. From any type of nut I ate. I used to like destroy hazelnuts or peanuts. But something that sounds like an allergy to me. Yeah, that's why I think I am reacting to nuts. Right? Because if that didn't happen in the past, I would never think about nuts being a potential problem for me. Right? Dude, just go to a doctor. They have a proper test kits. Yeah, my wife told me as well. But man, like, I guess I have to go. But yeah, so I think I'm allergic. And so if you guys have headaches, you know, randomly happening, maybe it's the nuts. Maybe you're allergic to nuts. And I find it crazy that the effect happens not immediately, but a couple of hours, 20 hours later. That's what I find crazy. Because I stopped eating nuts for 4 days now, and I didn't have a single headache yet. I might get one. Let's see. I have to be very careful with what I eat and what is in. Nuts are in many things, right? I get headaches usually after 1 hour, around 1 hour after Cake starts streaming. Any advice? Shut up. You don't. Anyways, okay, good programming session today, guys. We made 2 good effects. We're going to switch over to Dark Souls now. Don't have much time to do Dark Souls, but we'll still do it. Thank you guys for watching Game Development. If you're interested in Dark Souls, let's go!